education. Sadly, I attended my class, but I heard nothing but the echoing voice of my teacher, touching me with her words. Hey, you little girl, why waste your time studying those things when up to now you can't even multiply 7 by 9? Go home and don't bother me. I am lost, confused. I don't know what to do with myself. Where are my parents to guide me? My teachers to give me inspirations? My friends when I play? I'm lazy and irresponsible. When I try to study, I get punished for being able to answer. Where now? I'm confused. Somebody, please help me, please. Help me, please. Help me. I am lost. I am lost. The last girl.
Thank you so much, Aya Shane Garrido.